Have you recently been looking at an MSC cruise and wonder what the food is like on board? Have you heard some of the rumblings that the food may be not so great? Well, take it from your local fat guy. In this new series, I'm going to do a deep dive into some of the food that is available on the MSC Seashore and my recent sailing aboard, where we covered every single specialty dining option. So, let's roll the intro and jump right into it. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. My name's Rob, and that's right, this new series, I'm going to bring you to every single specialty dining restaurant on board the MSC Seashore. I'm going to do a series of these. I will be doing all of the restaurants. If you don't know, they have Ocean Key, which is their seafood restaurant, Butcher's Cut, which is the steak restaurant. They have the Kaito, which is the sushi bar, but then you can also do an all-you-can-eat sushi there, which I did that and it was delicious. Teppanyaki, which was also very, very good. And then they have their Hola Tacos, and we covered all of those. And what a better place to start than a greeting from Hola Tacos. On our specific sailing, we chose to do Hola Tacos on embarkation day for lunch. That's right, everyone's up at the buffet, everyone's trying to figure out what's going on, and there was not a single person at Hola Tacos except us. So, let's talk about Hola Tacos. This is your onboard Mexican restaurant. They serve tacos, burritos, nachos, and much, much more. I will go ahead and throw the menu up here so that you can see it. They do have an all-you-can-eat option, which is $24.99 per person. And I personally think it was well worth that price. Now, you can do some of these options a la carte. So if you find something really, really yummy, you can come back to that and buy that on its own. But I say the $24.99 is well worth the all you care to eat. So our meal started out with some nachos and salsa, and then some queso fundito. Always love some good melty cheese. I did a variety of tacos, which again, you can just pick and choose as many or as few as you would like. And then I finished with a burrito and a delicious dessert. So we did about 4 rounds of ordering food. Like I said, $24.99, you could not beat the price. Now, that does not include drinks. They have a whole bar menu on the back of their menu. And I will show that here in the menu that I caught. If you'd like to see any of the other specialty dining restaurants or our daily vlogs, ship tour, room tour, or any of our reviews of everything that we got up to on the MSC Seashore or any of the other 4 cruise lines we have sailed, Carnival, Princess, Margaritaville at Sea, and Norwegian, please feel free to check out the channel and subscribe. I would love for you to join us in our cruise community Here Today, Where Tomorrow. This is one of the easier ones to navigate because it really is either a la carte or $24.99, all you can eat. So the food was great, and like I said, it came out hot and fast. And the service was awesome. Because there was no one else there, he just kind of stood there off to the side, and every time my drink started getting low or we looked like we were finishing up a dish, he was there to grab a plate and ask us if we wanted anything else. So the service was absolutely wonderful. The price you really cannot beat, $24.99. Now we did it while we were in port, so we did have to pay taxes, etc. Like I said, drinks are not included, no sodas, no nothing. None of that is included in that price. Everything else would be extra. The ambiance of the restaurant was also really nice. One thing I will note, because we did go on embarkation day, there were times where there was an influx of people walking by, and it is a pretty open restaurant. The views are very nice, albeit we were still in port, so the views out the window were of Port Canaveral, which is still a beautiful port, but it wasn't out to sea or in some exotic destination. But you do have these giant windows that you can look out while you're sitting there, and you are kind of in the main atrium. So if you do go during maybe a later night when they're having some music or something going on in the atrium, it probably could get pretty loud. But like I said, we were there during embarkation lunch, and we had a wonderful time. It was nice and peaceful, and a nice little date for me and my wife. I will leave a link down below and a card up above to a playlist that kind of covers everything that we got up to here on the MSC Seashore, and I would hope you would go check it out and subscribe to the channel for more. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.